This is your weekly market update for the San Francisco East Bay area. This is for Berkeley, Oakland, Piedmont, and Lamorinda for the week of January 19th, 2022. This is Tanja Odzak with eXp Realty, and let's get into it. So as of the time of this recording, Berkeley has 25 active homes for sale on the market right now. There are currently 19 pending. That's 1.3 months worth of inventory. Last week, 9 were sold within a median days on market of 15, and the average sold price for last week was $1.799 million. For condos and townhouses, Berkeley currently has 13 on the market. Last week, 2 were sold. This is 6.5 months worth of inventory. Ooh, that's interesting. Last week, 2 were sold within a median days on market of 23. The average sales price for last week was $870,000. For Oakland currently has 183 on the market right now. There are 151 that are pending. That's 1.2 months worth of inventory. Last week, 26 were sold within a median days on the market of 13. The average sold price was $1.117 million. For condos and townhouses, there are 103 currently on the market. 71 are pending. That is 1.5 months worth of inventory. Last week, 5 were sold within a median days on market of 76. The average sold price was $633,000. For Piedmont, there's 5 on the market. 1 is pending. That's 5 months worth of inventory. Last week, 0 were sold. And that's all you need to know about that. Lamorinda, there are 18 currently active up for sale on the market right now. There are 25 that are pending. That is 7/10 of a month worth of inventory. Last week, 5 were sold within a median of 7 days. The average sold price for last week was $2.367 million. For condos and townhouses, 4 in Lamorinda are on the market. 5 are pending. That is 8/10 of a month worth of inventory. Last week, one was sold within 4 days and for $550,000. So that's it. If you have any questions about any other neighborhoods or cities or somewhere that I didn't mention, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to help you. Again, this is Tanja Odzak with eXp Realty, and I hope you have a great week.